Dear ninth class student, in the previous video you have learned the structure of die-cut sheet with the example of bean as well as monocot seed of maize. Only internal structure will make you understand full details. Keep these two diagrams in your mind. Once again you learn the characteristics of both given in the following table form. Very simple. Already you have drawn the structure. If you didn't do, draw it in your notebook. Later we will do record work. In that record work also internal structure of maize as well as bean. You have to draw it. At least 4 labels you should draw, like testa, tegmen, radical, plumule and cotyledons. That is for comparison and better understanding. So once you have drawn this diagram, both bean seed and maize seed, I told you to take the point. Now you focus on both, because these differences will make you understand. These are the precise points that you are going to write in the notebook as well as record work. 4 points for each seed. The description is enough. Okay. Last time I mentioned dicot, seed coat is thick, hilum is a point of attachment, and micropyle is a pore through which the seed respires. Here 2 cotyledons are present, and that is why bean is included in dicot. Endosperm is absent. So contrast to this character, you can note down the same contrast character again for monocot with the example of maize. Seed coat is fused. That is why it has a special name called pericarp. Pericarp is also known as the term for seed covering or seed coat. Here hilum and micropyle are not prominent. Only one cotyledon is present, and that is why it is included in monocot. Endosperm is present as well as well developed. So there is a chances of endosperm. In the previous chapter you have studied how endosperm, a specialized nutritive tissue, is formed after fertilization. You have learned with the example of double fertilization and triple fusion. So all these points are very much interlinked and connected. Overall you note down 4 points enough for you, whether it is a practical or writing answer in the board exam. So keep these 4 points in your mind, simplest way, and note and try to remember it. So this video is going to highlight as a matter of revision for both bean seed and maize seed. So you take the 4 points which is given in the table form, that will make you to understand as well as compare and immediately figure it out what makes the difference between dicot and monocot. It's not a new thing, already you have learned it, but it's higher version in the 9th class. You are repeating the same thing. We are in a hurry and we will go into the next lesson, and that is why it is once again focused. This is the diagram. It is also once again repeated for you for the comparison. So you note down. If you like, you can compare it. Otherwise, remember the point and write it. But you are expected to write first in the notebook, because notebooks are already given to you, and now go for it, record it, note down. Then we'll come for live practical. We'll do in the record over similar observation on both bean seed and maize seed. Okay, in the next video we may have live one. If you have any doubt and other things, keep it in your mind and come back, we will discuss. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, study well. Bye.